The coronavirus outbreak in New Jersey took a tragic turn Tuesday, with the state's first death attributed to the fast-spreading respiratory virus. The death of a 69-year-old coronavirus patient in Bergen County occurred on the same day state officials announced another infection in Bergen and 2 in Burlington County.
That boosted the total number of coronavirus cases in New Jersey to 15, including the fatality.
While stock market jitters eased up Tuesday, more schools and colleges across New Jersey decided to shut down for extra cleaning or to iron out strategies for dealing with the coronavirus threat.
Meanwhile, the viral outbreak continues to shake up routines and longtime traditions across the nation, with the Ivy League canceling its annual college basketball tournaments, sports reporters banned from locker rooms at professional sporting events, the city of Boston canceling its annual St. Patrick's Day parade, and studio audiences banned from tapings of venerable TV game shows like Jeopardy! And Wheel of Fortune.
Closer to home, New Jersey residents have been warned to watch out for scam artists who have reportedly been posing as health officials and knocking on doors to question people about coronavirus infections.
New Jersey now has 15 confirmed coronavirus cases, spread out among 7 of the state's 21 counties. There are 7 positive cases in Bergen County, including the 1 fatal case announced Tuesday afternoon, 2 in Burlington County, 2 in Monmouth County, and 1 each in Camden, Hudson, Passaic and Union counties, according to state officials.
In addition, there are 20 pending coronavirus tests at the state lab as of Tuesday, with another 31 people considered under investigation, New Jersey Department of Health officials said.
Officials noted 44 people in New Jersey have tested negative for the coronavirus.
New Jersey remains under a state of emergency, which was declared by Gov. Phil Murphy on Monday. The declaration allows the state to organize and distribute money, staffing and other resources to communities affected by the coronavirus outbreak.
State officials have already urged school districts to begin preparing for long-term closures, and announced that home instruction days will count toward the required 180-day school year. Several schools have decided to close temporarily, some for facility cleaning and others for emergency planning.
Here is the latest list of New Jersey school districts that have altered their schedules because of concerns over the coronavirus.
No college students in New Jersey have yet been diagnosed with the coronavirus, but some universities are taking rare steps to help reduce the risk of an outbreak on campus.
The Ivy League announced Tuesday that it is canceling its upcoming men's and women's basketball tournaments because of the coronavirus threat. The league will crown its regular season champions, the Princeton women and the Yale men, as the automatic qualifiers to the NCAA tournaments.
Police in Moorestown in Burlington County said there have been unverified social media posts claiming individuals are knocking on doors, claiming to be from the CDC and asking questions about the virus.
The CDC is not deploying teams of people to go door to door to conduct surveillance, the Moorestown Police Department posted on its Facebook page. Similar alerts were posted by police departments in other New Jersey towns, as well as by Sussex County's government.
Police in one New Jersey town issued a warning late Monday after a boy was burned from spray sanitizer sold in bottles in a 7-Eleven store in River Vale, in Bergen County. The boy's mother said the bottles appeared to be filled with a homemade concoction of chemicals in response to the coronavirus outbreak.
The boy reportedly suffered first-degree burns, and police seized the remaining supply of the spray sanitizer from the store.
Just one day after Wall Street suffered its biggest losses since the financial crisis of 2008, Tuesday appeared to be a day of recovery.
Stocks recouped most of their historic losses from the prior day as hopes rose, faded and then bloomed again on Wall Street that the U.S. government will try to cushion the economic pain from the coronavirus, the Associated Press reported Tuesday.
The S&P 500 surged as much as 3.7% in the morning, only to see those gains evaporate by midday. The index then bounced up and down before turning decisively higher after President Donald Trump pitched his ideas for a break on payroll taxes and other economic relief to Senate Republicans.
By the end of trading, the S&P 500 was up 4.9% and had erased 3/5 of Monday's loss.
On Monday, the drop on Wall Street was so sharp that it triggered the first automatic halt in trading in more than 2 decades.
Irish pride will be dampened a bit this year, at least in Boston. City officials have decided to cancel their annual St. Patrick's Day parade as a precaution to help stop the potential spread of the coronavirus, the Boston Globe reported. In addition, industry executives have canceled some conventions that had been planned in Boston.
As of late Tuesday afternoon, there were no known cancellations of any St. Patty's parades in New Jersey.
Parade organizers in Morristown said their celebration is still on, but Mayor Timothy Doherty had this advice for parade spectators.
Don't kiss anyone you don't know, the mayor said on the official Morristown Facebook page. Carry sanitizer if you have it. Wash your hands throughout the day. Take the same precautions you would if you had the flu. And be sure to follow the guidance of local health officials and the CDC.
In Philadelphia, which confirmed its first coronavirus case on Tuesday, city officials are urging people not to attend events of more than 5,000 people, including professional sporting events and the city's St. Patrick's Day parade. As of now, it appears the parade is still on, but it's uncertain how the city plans to limit spectators.
The coronavirus is not only stirring up fear and anxiety, but it's also sparking a political divide.
In a Quinnipiac University poll released this week, U.S. voters disapproved of the way President Donald Trump was handling the response to the virus, 49% to 43%.
But the difference of opinion was sharply divided along partisan lines. Republicans supported the president, 87% to 7%. Democrats were almost a mirror image, with 83% disapproving of Trump's performance and 10% in approval. Independents disapproved, 50% to 37%.
So basically, if you're a Democrat, you believe President Trump is doing a terrible job responding to the coronavirus. If you're a Republican, you think he's doing a great job.
The Associated Press and NJ Advance Media staff writers Matt Arco, Adam Clark and Jeff Goldman contributed to this report. Len Melisergo may be reached at lmelisergo@njadvancemedia.com. Follow him on Twitter at LensReality or like him on Facebook. Find NJ.com on Facebook.